In this video, we will look at some of the best wheel mobility scooters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 5. Pride GoGo Elite Traveler 4-Wheel Mobility Travel Scooter. Pride GoGo Elite Traveler is engineered for ease of maneuvering in tight spaces. Its 4-wheel configuration enhances stability and balance, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This scooter's compact size and design ensure you can navigate crowded areas with confidence. Safety and convenience. Designed for safety, this scooter boasts a balanced build that can handle various environments. Features non-scuffing rubber tires, making it ideal for travel and cruise settings. The scooter's design allows for straightforward disassembly, simplifying transportation and storage. Customizable appearance. The GoGo Elite Traveler includes 2 sets of easily interchangeable colored panels in red and blue, allowing you to personalize your scooter to match your style. Easy travel and transport. Whether you're heading on a trip or just need to store your scooter, the GoGo Elite Traveler's simple disassembly ensures hassle-free transport. Its lightweight design makes it easy to manage, so you can take it wherever you need to go. Customer-friendly support. This scooter ships from Click Medical and comes with a 30-day easy return policy. Enjoy peace of mind with responsive customer support and a reliable product experience. Number 4. Golden Technologies BuzzAround LX 3-Wheel Scooter. The Golden Technologies BuzzAround LX 3-Wheel Scooter is a top-of-the-line mobility solution, merging the best aspects of luxury and practicality. Designed for those who seek both comfort and portability, this scooter is an excellent choice for individuals needing reliable mobility assistance. Luxury and comfort. The BuzzAround LX is the first full-time luxury travel scooter in its series. It offers the comfort of a full-size scooter, making it ideal for users who require a more substantial and comfortable ride. The scooter's design includes rear suspension, ensuring a smooth experience over various terrains. Impressive weight capacity. One of the standout features of this scooter is its robust weight capacity. It can support up to 375 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. This high weight capacity does not compromise its performance, ensuring that even at full load, the scooter remains stable and reliable. Portability. Despite its full-size comfort, the BuzzAround LX maintains the portability of a travel scooter. It's designed to be easily transported, whether in the trunk of a car or on public transportation, making it a versatile choice for both daily use and travel. Durable construction. Crafted with high-quality materials like stainless steel, alloy steel, and aluminum, BuzzAround LX is built to last. Its durable construction ensures that it can withstand regular use while maintaining its structural integrity and aesthetic appeal. Extended range. Number 3. Triax Cruise Foldable 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter. The Triax Cruise Foldable 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter by Enhance Mobility offers a blend of convenience, performance, and portability, making it an excellent choice for individuals seeking mobility assistance. This scooter stands out for its ease of use, robust construction, and impressive range. Portability and convenience. The Triax Cruise is designed with the user in mind, featuring a foldable design that makes it easy to transport and store. Whether you're taking it on a trip or storing it in a small space, the scooter's ability to fold flat is a significant advantage. Speed and range. This mobility scooter offers speeds of up to 6 miles per hour, allowing users to travel efficiently without feeling rushed. Moreover, with a single charge, the Triax Cruise can travel up to 18 miles, providing ample range for most daily outings or errands. Durable construction. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame, the scooter can support a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds, ensuring stability and durability for users of various sizes. The aluminum material also keeps the scooter relatively lightweight, 58 pounds, contributing to its portability. Safety and control. Safety is a priority with the Triax Cruise, which is equipped with electromagnetic brakes for reliable stopping power. The scooter also features a freewheel mode and speed control. giving users the flexibility to navigate various terrains and environments confident. Comfort and accessories. Number 2. AFAScooter S4 All-Terrain Mobility Scooter. 4-wheel? The AFAScooter S4 All-Terrain Mobility Scooter is a top-tier mobility solution designed for those who need both rugged durability and comfort. With its impressive features, this four-wheeled scooter stands out as a premium option for users seeking reliable and versatile mobility assistance, especially in challenging environments. The AFAScooter S4 is built to handle a wide range of terrains, making it ideal for users who require mobility in various environments. Whether navigating through rough outdoor paths, service elevators, or narrow indoor passages, this scooter offers superb traction and a smooth driving experience. Robust construction. Crafted with a shock-absorbing steel frame, AFAScooter S4 ensures a stable and comfortable ride, even on uneven surfaces. High-quality alloy steel construction adds to the scooter's durability. Number 1. Vive 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter. The Vive 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter offers reliable performance on both indoor and outdoor terrains. With a robust motor and durable tires, this scooter supports up to 265 pounds. Features flat-free, non-marking 8-inch tires and reaches speeds of up to 3.7 miles per hour. Enjoy a driving distance of up to 12.4 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for extended outing. Comfort and convenience. Experience superior comfort with the Vive scooter's 16.9-inch wide, padded seat and backrest. The swivel seat allows for easy boarding and disembarking, while the height-adjustable feature ensures a customized fit. 2 adjustable, padded armrests add to the convenience, providing additional support and ease when getting on or off the scooter. Easy transportation and storage. Designed for portability, the Vive Mobility Scooter can be quickly disassembled into 4 pieces. The scooter's folding tiller and removable seat make it easy to fit into standard vehicle trunks. The rear section is the heaviest at 29 pounds, ensuring manageable transportation. User-friendly control panel. The intuitive control panel on the tiller console simplifies operation. It features a variable speed dial, forward-reverse switch, headlight control, and a warning tone option. The color-coded battery life indicator provides a quick overview of remaining power. Vive is a customer-focused, family-owned brand committed to safety and comfort. The Vive 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter is backed by a 5-year guarantee, ensuring peace of mind with every purchase. Experience the dedication to quality and customer service that sets Vive apart.